Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I talk about science, history and geography. If this is where you want to be, please subscribe, share and hit the like button. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about gas giants. Gas giants. Beyond Mars, there are 4 giant planets known as dwarf planets. After Jupiter, they are almost entirely made of gas, with a rocky center surrounded by a liquid. By the way, here are some fun facts about gas giants. Do you know gas giants are also called failed stars because they contain the same basic elements as a star? In the 90s, it became known that Uranus and Neptune are really a distant class of gas giants. Giant of giants. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets all added together. It is made mainly of hydrogen and helium, the same elements as a star. So if it were 70 times more massive than it is, it will become a star. And here's a cool fun fact about Jupiter. Jupiter's gravity could turn its atmosphere into a liquid from a certain depth. Isn't that cool how Jupiter's gravity can turn its atmosphere into a liquid? Also, Jupiter has the most amount of moons in the solar system. Ringed planet. The solar system's second largest planet, Saturn, is famous for its bright rings of water and ice. The other 3 gas giants also have rings, but those rings are thin and dusty. Like Jupiter, Saturn is made mostly of hydrogen and helium. Here's a really cool fact about Saturn. Saturn is light enough that it's the only planet in the solar system that will float on water. Isn't that cool? Also, it's interesting that you can't stand on either Saturn, Uranus, Neptune or Jupiter because they do not have a solid surface. Instead, they have a gassy surface. And as you can tell by the first slide, well, he has a rocky center. Also, its rings are not solid. They are made up of pieces of ice and dust. Some of these pieces are as small as a grain of sand, while others are as big as the moon. Isn't that cool, the size difference? Tilted spin. In addition to hydrogen and helium, Uranus contains water, ammonia, and methane gas. Methane in its atmosphere gives the planet a blue-green color, and its orbit orbits the sun tiltedly. The tilted shape must be from a catastrophic collision in the past, if you know what that means. Also, Uranus is also known for being a stinky planet, mostly because of the methane gas in its atmosphere. Farthest away, the outermost planet in the solar system, chemical makes up smaller than Uranus's. Its blue color is also caused by methane gas in its atmosphere, just like Uranus. Also, Uranus is the windiest planet in the whole solar system. Isn't that cool? Its wind is almost 20 times higher than the Earth's. I hope you learned something today. So if you did,